Hello guys! So I just wanna take this opportunity na magpasalamat po sa lahat ng nanonood at mga nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at sa mga nanonood ng BB ko. Maraming salamat po. At nandito po ako para magbasa ng ibang mga comments. Parang ang sarap maging kaibigan ni BB, matalino, prangka, walang arte, ganda ng walang arte and talented, all in. I admire you, sabi ni Jerica Baron. Tapos si Fruit of My Honeybee. I like its authenticity. She's honest enough to admit some people were a mistake because she settled. Parang gusto kong siyang maging kaibigan. Genuine is rare. Tapos sino kaya guest sa BB Talk next week? Ako, sabi naman niya ni Brown06. Tapos si Drama Queen, sabi niya, eto gusto ko, yung parang chikahan lang na magkaibigan. No pretenses, no hard outline, chill lang, kakasawa na kasi ang yung iba. So, thank you, Drama Queen. Tapos may sumagot na isa, parang kilala ko yan. But I would say that Miss I is an authentic person on and off cam from late Father Eric's kwento about their friendship. So may personal kang alam kay I and then si Melinda Narano, Miss BB, sana si Kiana Reeves naman ang guest mo. Well, abangan. Tapos inaabangan talaga namin to, Miss BB, more episodes to come, sabi ni Araling Pilipino. Tapos sabi ni Bianch Bongga, ganito na talk show, yung normal at magkaibigan at chikahan sa bahay, walang dull moments. So, thank you very much. Blanche 1287, tapos si Home Row Bless 8797. Napakasimple ni BB. Pinanood ko pa yung mga old videos. More pa sa ganyang interview. Thank you. Lahat po itong mga comments ito nakakapagkataba ng puso. Thank you for the confirmation, Miss BB, that compatibility is not always about sex and gender, kasi na-confused na rin talaga ako. That would be an option. Yes, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan yan. Yun ang pinaka-aral dun sa episode po namin na yun ni AI, that do not be an option and always be a queen and find a king to be a queen. Alright guys, maraming salamat. BB Talk!